Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make a nest shamai which is very viral. First take a frying pan and put it on the stove. And now add 4 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1.5 cup of roasted shamai. Now roast it in the butter for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. If it becomes too much crispy, you can't eat it, so you should put it on low flame. Now just give it a mix. Add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Again roast it for 1 minute in low flame. It's now roasted well. Now keep it aside. Take some small bowl and grease it with oil. You should do it when it's only hot dough. When it becomes cold, you can't do it because it won't stick. Set them immediately or the shamai will become hard. Now they all are ready. Now add 2.5 cup of milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of custard powder plus 3 or 4 tablespoons of milk. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk powder plus 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now mix it well and bring it to a boil. Add 1 cardamom. It is now boiled well. Then add custard mixture. Now stir it continuously until it has a thickness. Stir it for 4 to 5 minutes, but always on low flame. You should stir it continuously or there will be many bubbles on top. If the thickness becomes like this, it means you should turn off the flame, and when it becomes cool, it will become so much sticky. Now turn off the flame and wait for it to cool down. Now remove the bowl nest. Now pour the custard mixture into the nest. After setting the roasted shamai in the bowl, we also took the roasted shamai out of the bowl so that it would have a nest shape. Now for garnishing, we added some dry fruits and pomegranate. You can add anything you want. And after that, we are going to put it in the freezer for 2 hours. Then we will be going to serve it chilled. Anybody who likes to eat anything crispy, this is the best recipe for them. This is a best recipe for 2026 Eid ul Azha. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.